welcome to my channel Fashion Talk with Mohita. People who don't know me or seen my face for the first time, myself Mohita, I'm a fashion designer and an illustrator. @illustrations by Mohita is my account handle name. Go check it out and do let me know your love in the comment section. So today I'm going to show you a whole view of my fashion journal, that how I create my fashion journal, how I organize each and every topic in my journal, just to clear my mind and to know that whether I want to go ahead with this topic or not. It is in the continuation of my earlier video where I have shown that how I am making a fashion journal. Those who haven't watched it yet, I will be attaching the link below, so go check it out. And yeah, let's get started. So let's have a quick view to my whole fashion journal, that how I organize my all the pictures and each and every topic, out of which one topic I have already made in front of you, but there are more topics as well. So let's have a look. So these are a small diaries which I got from my earlier company, Suasa. They actually have very good prints like these, and the fact is that I love about these covers. These are fabric covers, they are not paper covers, which I love about them. Now let's open it. This is a small pocket. This is a small pocket with pictures in it, and I put these pictures कि बाद में अगर मुझे time मिलेगा, I'll organize each and every picture with each and every topic. So I keep all the pictures here in this small pocket. Now coming over to the first topic which I took, that is the Emerald City. Welcome to Emerald City. I went with my mother to her best friend's housewarming ceremony, and I saw an emerald green color living room plus these tiles in her kitchen, which I love. And I was so much fascinated by these tiles that I clicked the picture, and I thought कि in future मैं कुछ ना कुछ इससे रिलेटेड करूँगी. whether I'm able to make clothing in this or not, that's a different thing, but I will do something related to this. So I click the picture and put all these tiles pictures in it. Now here I have given a look of a girl with a hat who is seeing this Emerald City, and she's very much mesmerized and everything. Now coming over to the next page, which is all about the home decor thing, ki maybe in future I get inspired from any home decor things. And since I was not having this emerald color paper, so I put this pop-up fluorescent pop-up colored paper to enhance my text part. So I have written all the facts related to emerald green, like I have written in interior design, a splash of emerald green can energize and add a feeling of freshness to your room. So these all are related to my home decor thing. Now coming over to the third part, which is the color combinations part. These I was doing to experiment ki which color will look good with emerald, whether it's yellow ochre, blue, sea green and all that thing. I've written that emerald green looks great with colors like peach, rose, ruby red and pink, and I mix my match with different colors. As you can see that everything is not organized, everything is in a collage way. So it's basically your creativity, because it is a book of your originality, your style and your creativity. So you can do it in whatever ways you want. Now the fourth page, it is a very simple page with a text written on it. I have researched about my emerald topic, and I have written ki in future if I want to take this topic, these are some of the facts which will help me. Plus I have also written this similar colors related to it, and emerald green is an eye-catching color, perfect for when you want to stand out, and it easily communicate a sense of prestige and luxury. These are some of the things which I have written that maybe in future it can help me. Now coming over to the second topic, that is the wine crush. I always wanted कि मैं कुछ ना कुछ color से related करूँ, and I love wine color. That's why I've given this the topic wine crush, where I have written all the text and all the shades of red, that why this wine color is being given the name wine, what are the importance of different shades and all that thing, with text written on all over it, different facts which can help me in future. Also, coming over to the second page, this is all about the photo gallery thing, and this is all the photo gallery thing related to wine color, like ice cream, some fruits, clothes, nail polishes, coats, candles, which I can be inspired from in future. Now the third page is also very simple with color combinations. Again, I was not having a wine color, so I have used this fluorescent pop-up color to enhance my text part, and I have written some facts and points related to wine color, mix match different colors with wine color, that what will look good with it. If in future I'm making a collection out of this topic, so I should have some points ki okay, these are the points, and I'm further going with this topic. So coming over to the third topic which I made in front of you, that was the vintage beauty, and this was the topic which I made, and this is the cover page where I've written all the things related to my topic, the vintage beauty. And this is something I made like a gateway or a front page, you can say, for vintage, where all the text is being written for the vintage, that in future maybe I can take help of. And this is how I have organized each and everything with newspapers and these vintage gate pictures. Now the second page, I have written some of the terms related to vintage, some home decor. Here I have used a frame, cutout frame with a photo of a girl wearing a vintage dress, and give it a old look with some of the text. Now coming over to the third topic, where I have third page actually, where I have compared the modern clothing with the old clothing, since in vintage time we can see the clothing was puffed sleeves, circular skirts, fuller skirts, which I can also use in modern as a bride is wearing in this picture. Also, there's an old vintage car and the new one decorated with flowers and everything, so I can also take this as an inspiration, some of the accessories and all that thing. Now the fourth page of this topic is something I can take inspiration from these vintage stamps and invitations, that in future if I am making a collection out of this topic, I can use these ideas for my invitation cards and to invite people to see my collection. So I can use these vintage stamps on it to give an old and vintage antique look. Also these handmade flowers, I can also use it as an embroidery, hand embroidery on my skirt. So these are some small things I can take inspiration from. Now the fourth topic, which is very special to me, and because this is something I made for my collection, this was the topic got selected for my fashion collection, which was disco glamour of past. I basically took inspiration from music elements, disco mirror ball, and combined both the thing and formed a different kind of embroidery. And this is a page where I've organized each and everything to clear my mind what I want to do in my collection. And this is follow the call of the disco ball with some beats, waves and everything. Now the second page in it contains all the elements and beats, music, where I have combined these elements with some disco mirror ball and form a different kind of embroidery, which I will show you in my further videos, because this is something very special to me and I'm gonna show it to you with my all the clothes and all the collection. I have also written that this is something I'll made with hand embroidery or machine embroidery. This will be with hand embroidery and some shimmer on it or anything. Now the third page is about what the things I'm gonna use and or print. These are some of the elements which I've used in my collection. This is a picture I can also recreate by making it as an embroidery on my skirt with different beads and everything. This is a play, pause, forward button I can print on the shirt if I want. This is some of the pictures I can include in my collection. Also, the fourth page is all about the accessories, that how I can style my collection with funky shades, with a little bit of this silver color lip shade, with some rings, a helmet with mirror chips inside it. So I can organize and style it as according to me, according to my creativity, because this is something my style which I want to style, so I can do it in my way. Similarly, this is something which you can create your own design with your own creativity, as I have done, and you can create your own journal like this. And yeah, so this is all about my journal, that how I create my journal with simple materials, simple techniques and simple steps, and you all can also do it like this. So this was the quick view of my whole fashion journal, that how I organize my journal with simple steps and simple materials, which you all can also do. Also, my main motto of doing this fashion journal video was to deliver you all the message that it is a kind of a foundation or a base of making a good portfolio. The more pictures, the more doodle, the sketches you will include, the more likely you will able to conceptualize designs, the more you will able to enhance your observation and sketching skills, which will help you in longer run. So keep exploring, keep experimenting new things, learn new skills and new techniques every day. And before ending this video, I want to share a small thing with all of you. Since my sister is not from the design background, and when she saw this portfolio, she was actually not knowing that I am making this kind of portfolio or a journal kind of thing. When she saw this, she wrote a letter and keep it inside it, which says, this is a letter guys, which says, "Dear sister, you are an amazing sis. I just happened to check your portfolio. It's excellent. Bang on. I so much inspire you. So what, I cannot be like you. But I would always want that if I ever have a daughter, she should be like you only. Creative, positive, happening and happy to go lucky person just like you." Oh, thank you sister, thank you so much, and thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you all guys soon with another video.